Hundreds on the chair. So your client is gonna face their pedal. From here, they're gonna roll down one vertebrae at a time, bringing the arches of their feet onto the pedal. Awesome. And then pressing down from those hamstrings. Beautiful, Neil. Tuck your chin into your chest, start to reach your fingertips toward the pedal. I'm gonna let go of the pedal, you have it?
Yep.
From here, you're gonna start pumping your arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Feeling the rectus abdominis, opening through the collarbones, not letting the shoulders round forward. Awesome. Just 70 more. Here we go. Exhale. 60 more. It goes that fast. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Good. Halfway there. How are those hamstrings and abdominals? They're so working hard. And you can always have your foot assisting just in case they get exhausted and that pedal goes up. Last 30 Neil. Inhale. Almost there. Exhale. Feeling those fingertips reaching. Last 20. Exhale. Final 10 here. Great work. Exhale. Hold. Release the head, neck, and shoulders. One vertebrae at a time. Slowly returning that pedal all the way up. And that's our hundreds on the chair. Great work, Neil. Woo!